Retry.
Center target. Mulligan. Now you're hot.
Center target.
Whoa. What just happened?
We lost them all. It fed them all out right there. I don't think we
blew the mag apart.
Huh?
The mag blew apart. Look at that bottom of that mag. Here, hold this.
It blew apart.
We got to get this on videotape. This is what one of the things we're working on is reviews. Oh, what the fuck?
Look, the mag just blew apart.
Oh shit.
How did that happen?
Get that in the camera.
Okay.
Go on.
Let's see.
Ooh. You see that?
Yeah, right there.
The fucking head of that Tula ammo blew off. This thing's still running?
Yeah, it's still running.
Shit, we blew a mag apart. Don't know what it is. It looks like that case head on the Tula ammo. Separated. And most of the pressure came out the back end. Alright.